Hi, in this experiment we investigate the relationship between force and acceleration using an earthquake machine. The setup consists of two masses connected by a string over a pulley. When released, the difference in masses creates a net force, causing the system to accelerate. According to the Newton's second law, the acceleration of system depends on the net force and the total mass. By changing the mass differences, we can observe how acceleration changes. In this experiment, we measured the time it takes for the masses to travel a fixed distance. Using this time, we calculated the experimental acceleration and compared it with the theoretical value. Our results show that as the mass difference increases, the acceleration also increases, which agrees with theory. However, the experimental values were lower than expected due to the friction and measurement uncertainties. At overall, this experiment confirms the relationship between force and acceleration described by Newton's second law.